Hey everybody, it's Tom here. Welcome to Hilltop Machine Works. So it is time for another mail call. This will be mail call number 32. I've got a bunch of goodies to show you. I got some purchases. Got a gift from my buddy Jim over there at Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. And got some stickers in from fellow YouTubers. And I got a few other clips I can throw into this mix. So should be pretty cool. But first off, I just want to say, hey, thanks for the support, you guys. Thanks for the comments. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, well, hey, thanks for checking me out, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I'd really appreciate it. So let me show you what we got going on today. Yeah, that's right. We got white stuff. So it is snowing out here. I'm filming this on my back porch. Something different today. Of course, it is Monday, and the guys should be working down there at the job site, but of course they're not going to be working in the snow. You would think all the good deeds I did growing up, Mother Nature would repay me and give me about 3 good weeks of weather, but I don't know why she can't. So it seems like they work a few good days and then we either get rain or we get snow. So they're not working today. It's not really sticking. It's just going to be flurrying like this all day. It was like 50 degrees yesterday, so the ground is warm. And of course Mr. Chaos over here, he's loving it. Ain't you, buddy? You want me to play with the ball? Go get it, bud. So just enjoying the mountains of Virginia. But anyways, let's get the camera set up and we'll get busy and show you the purchases. Received some stickers from Ragsdale Creek Workshop. Anthony Brown down there in Alabama. Anthony sent me a nice note. Got a couple of his channel stickers. I sent some down to him. So I appreciate it there, Anthony. And if you haven't checked out his channel, go over there and check him out. Also, my channel stickers are available. I will ship them to anybody that wants them around the world, free of charge. And of course, I also have t-shirts available. If you're interested in a t-shirt, send me an email and I'll get one out to you. I want to do a shout out to Steve Summers over there at his channel. I picked up some of these electrical connectors. I didn't know this animal existed, so he was using these on one of his recent videos. So it's a lot more secure and a better option than using just wire nuts when you have to put a couple wires together, especially if you got to put like 3 together or 4. So I picked these up. Pretty cool. I appreciate that, Steve. And I figured I'd expand my arsenal of diagnostic tools while I was working on the forklift, running down some electrical issues. And I've got a test light, and also I've got a meter. That works pretty good. But I've always wanted a power probe. So been following eBay, and a seller had I guess a whole lot of them, and he was wholesaling them out pretty cheap. So I grabbed this power probe. I think this is the number 3. It's pretty well respected, and a lot of people recommend this one. I think they have a 4 out now. And in line with that, also grabbed this parasitic draw tester. You use your meter, as you can see in the picture there. But what this does is help safeguard your meter, so you can put this in line, so it's got a fuse, and you can click it on or off. So I thought that was pretty cool, so I grabbed that. And if you guys watch Ray Canadia's channel over there at Ray's Garage, he showed these. These are little like fiber capsules. Hopefully you can see the picture pretty well. And what you do is you put them in line on your MIG wire. So it helps keep your wire clean, especially if you got like a big roll, like a 30-pounder, and it takes you 4 or 5 years to go through that roll of wire. It can get rusty, or it can just get junk on it. So what happens is the wire runs through these and helps these clean them and get all that stuff off. And then I picked up an extra can of this stuff, which is the lubricant and cleaner, so you can keep them moist. So it works pretty good. I appreciate that, Ray. He did a little infomercial, so go check out Ray's channel if you got a MIG welder And you know, every now and then you're wondering why you're having problems getting a good bead. It may be that you just got dirty, you know, wire. So you know, this may be something that you may want to reach out and pick up and give it a try. So I've been trying to expand my larger tooling and you know, set up equipment and hold down stuff. So I picked up an A-bomb size here, Armstrong number 3 machinist jack, a nice big boy. Got it cheap off of eBay, so that'll be cool. Like to pick up a couple more and a couple more larger blocks, because hopefully there'll be some larger equipment in my future now that I'm building a bigger shop. But this was a good score. I'm glad I got it. So what you're looking at here is a Bodine motor. If you guys watch Pragmatic Lee over there at Tin Barn Time, he added a power feed to his surface grinder on his x-axis of his table, so he doesn't have to wind it back and forth. And I thought that was pretty cool, so I am going to borrow his idea and do the same on mine. I figured I'd probably enjoy my surface grinder a lot more, you know, if I didn't have to manually crank her back and forth all the time. So this is what he used. So I grabbed a motor, and I've got a DC, yeah, this is a DC motor, an AC to DC power supply coming, and then also have got a controller for the speed of it. So that'll be an upcoming video. So we're gonna have a whole bunch of cool projects once the shop gets built. So I'll have plenty of videos for you guys, because I know you're jonesing to see some machining and some welding and some metal fab, because I know I am. So just hang with me. Hopefully you guys can see this pretty good if I hold her out. What this is a Tools of the Trade 2020 calendar. I picked this up from Phil Kerner over at his channel, The Tool and Die Guy. If you want a cool calendar and support his channel, I think it's toolanddieguy.com. Like I said, hopefully it's just picking it up. I'm having to hold it because it was rolled up in a tube. But what he did is he designed this calendar with a whole bunch of old Starrett tools. Pretty cool. And also, if you order now, he throws in this as a bonus of a Lufkin micrometer. Let's see if I can do this. Hang on. So, is that cool or what? So, perfect shop wall art to hang. Of course, if you watch Tom Lipton and also Randy Richards, both of those have highlighted this. They showed it on a recent video, but I had picked this up prior to that, and I wanted to do this in the mail call. So, pretty cool. Go check out toolanddieguy.com if you're interested and pick you up a cool calendar. Well, I'll take you guys down for a walk. Go down to the range I've been building. Don't know if I have enough footage for a full video. If I do, I'll make it a separate video. If not, then I'll just show some clips here in the next mail call. Oh, well, the crew is back there working on the shop site. I figured I'd go ahead and get this knocked out. We got nice weather today and tomorrow, and then the rain's coming in, and then it's still going to be cold and, you know, ugly fall. So I figured I'd at least get these in the ground. You know, if you saw in the previous video, I mentioned this is going to be basically the shooting range here. So building, I guess, I don't know, not really a range house because it's not going to have any sides to it, but we'll have a roof on the top, and then basically a shelf here and a shelf on this side, you know, to put your firearms and ammunition and whatnot, and then you'll be sitting up underneath here and then shooting that way. That'll be where the targets are. So got the concrete setting up on the first two. I got to do a couple more holes, drop in some 4x4s, just show you what I'm doing today. And they've been making progress up there. Almost got the footings done. I think another day or two, but of course the rain's gonna come in, so that's gonna delay it. But then after that, we can call the inspector, we can get that inspected and pour some concrete about the middle of next week. So heck yeah, finally. And of course the building's gonna arrive in, well, what, 3 more days. Today is Tuesday, it's coming Friday, so of course I'll get video of that. But finally moving along. I'm excited. Thanks for watching, guys. Well, just got wrapped up, so step back and you kind of get an idea of the shooting range I've got. So you can come out here and shoot in all elements. Got a corrugated tin roof, and here's a shelf. Put your, your cases, your ammo, pistols, rifles, whatever. And then looking out, that'll be where the targets will be. It is 12 yards from here to that target stand. And I've got some AR 500 target plates coming in. So I still got to hang those. I'm going to hang some in the middle and then hang some from that bottom beam, and then on that side and that side, that's where the paper targets will go. So nice little shooting range. And for rifles, I've got something up my sleeve, so we can have some distance and shoot some rifles here. But I just want to get this done before the weather came in. It's pretty windy. It is a nice November day, so the sun is out, but it is in the 40s and blowing. But there she is, all wrapped up. So pretty cool. Well, hey guys, we're out here in the barn, and let me turn you around. So you're looking at my Jeep, and if you guys watch Jim Deadman's channel, Sawlogs Plastic Hubs, you know he's got a race car, and he's been making air cleaner nuts for some of the race car drivers, and I reached out to him because I could use one on mine. And seeing that my machine shop is like in boxes, he was gracious enough to make me one. So let me sit you down and let's put this thing on. As you can see, I've just been using a wing nut and a spacer, so this will look a lot better and work better too. Threads on that stud sticking up, a little bit rusty down there at the bottom. There we go. Sweet, all right, looks good. Thanks, Jim, I appreciate it. And if you haven't gone over to Jim's channel, go over and check him out and give him a sub. I know he's close to about 1,000 subscribers, and I know he'd appreciate it. Well, the top moved on me. Well, let me get that squared away. That looks ugly, doesn't it? Okay, that's much better. The threads don't go all the way up, down on that stud, so I'm gonna have to run a die down when I get a chance. But I just have to run that spacer, but that's how she looks. Thank you, Jim, again. Appreciate it. Well, that's going to be it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that mail call. Hope you enjoyed the other excerpts I threw in there of the nice gift I got from Jim Deadman, and also the shooting range I built. Pretty cool, ain't it? So, I just want to say thanks again. Appreciate you hanging in. Appreciate you watching. And until next time, take care.